Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making edible slime made by Jell-O. Let's go! Guys, it says we need a medium-sized bowl and some water. Ready to go. Let's get started. Boys! Yeah! You're looking for a scoop. Well, there's just some powder. I can see the goop. Oh, covered in powder. Come on. And the edge is deep. So we need 3 scoops of this. 1 into your bowl. 2. Ooh, powder. Get more dust. Difficult than it looks.
I agree.
There. Now 3 scoops of water.
Just 1 scoop.
Oh, 1 scoop of water. Into your bowl? Yep. No. It looks greenish though, which is good. Now we mix. Gooey. Let's take a look in the bottom. Gooey. Yeah. Like making spaghetti and scooping out the bottom. Can I have a tape?
Sure.
Good.
Good?
Tastes a little sugary. Guys, I'm gonna do this quick now. Ooh, all nice and slimy. Good. Could we put this on the table? Mom? Oh, gooey. Ew. Feels gross. Come on. It's cold. It's cold. Oh, we wash this off. Go, Mom, go. Literally do that. You can pick up and do whatever you want with it. This feels gross. Now for breakfast, dinner, and lunch, your parents don't have to say, stop playing with your food. Because you literally have to play with your food. Let me taste this. So it tastes like chicken. And turkey. Tastes like the powder. I'll give it a 4 out of 10, but still tastes better than my mom's dinners. Breakfast. Cut all the slime pieces. Guys, this is a wrap for the super messiness. I'm gonna go take a bath. And I'll never eat Jell-O again. I would not recommend. Hey guys, just here to remind you to wear your mask in public. Like this. Wait, is this wrong? Like this. Wait. Oh yeah, you're right. It needs to cover your mouth. Do I have it yet? Almost. Got it right. But your part is to stay safe and stay healthy.